What's up guys, E-Comments here, and today we're going over the topic on why you're getting a lot of traffic but zero sales. I see this all the time, and the fixes to this, how you can go from 20 link clicks to 60 to sales and go from so much traffic, no sales. Dude, it's just a fix like this. I can't do that thing, but it's a fix like that. It's really easy. So let's just go into your computer and I'll show you exactly what you need to change in order to make sales. So the last video's giveaway winner is Double Gamer. He's a 17-year-old, started new. I can't find my first winning product for this Q4. Can you find a winning product video? I already made a video on winning products, which I already told you in the comments. But dude, you won the giveaway on a 30-minute consulting call, so DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description. Send me a message, say you won, and we'll get to work. If you guys want a 50-50 partner on a store with me, make sure you message me on Instagram and we'll get to work. Comment and like, and then or subscribe, and then you'll be entered in the next video's consulting giveaway. We got a Christmas store theme, something like that. I mean, yeah, I guess it's cool. This picture, it's really warm and nice though. Collection list, men's collection and women's collection, and custom made. That is really clean. Just keep those three. That is cool. I don't sell jewelry though. And then we got earrings, necklaces, bracelets. Yeah, it's a little too much. Yeah, exactly. What I always do in this case, I put in one more product, even though I don't have it, because this doesn't look clean. You see this one? It needs something under. Oh shit! Under here we need one, right? Because it doesn't look clean with 2 here and 3 there, so we should have 3 on both of them. But it's, yeah, it definitely won't be profitable at all. It is not profitable. So let's just check out a random product here. Bubble letter chain. Yeah, won't be really that profitable. Oh, no. This doesn't work. By the way, first of all, before I remember, get a currency converter. It's so important these days. I mean, like, just get it, search for... Oh, we actually have one. My fault. But get a currency converter anyways. It's definitely worth it. So we got the size. That's good. 2 letter. Okay, this is really cool that I can, like, type in my name, and then, yeah, that is nice. That is really nice. That's actually a good thing to have. The other card one, I would make it green. It doesn't really stand out. This thing is, it doesn't work like it used to. It's just desperate. And it says 1 day and 20 hours. I would put it like 33 hours or 10 hours, something like that. And customer reviews, no reviews yet. Write a review. They probably should have thought about removing that when the reviews are down here. Things like this one and this one, yeah, all of these won't sell really. The reviews are decent. There's not a lot of them, but yeah, I think that was really cool how you could write in your name. Refund if acceptable. Yeah, this is good enough. This is good enough. Let's check out custom made. Yeah, custom made is a lot of junk, honestly. But yeah, that's it for this store. Honestly, nothing more to say. Okay guys, so let's just go straight into what actually might put you in the situation where you're not having a lot of sales but still a lot of traffic. You are not offering free shipping. Most people do that these days. Definitely go for the free shipping variation of it. Oh, the screen is turning so blue. Anyways, go free shipping. If not, it will just be a complete turn off on your customer. Don't offer free plus shipping. You'll have so many initial checkouts and they will see that you just gotta pay for shipping. That stuff usually does not work. And then it could be your ad copy. Your ad copy says something opposite of your store. You gotta make sure that your ad says exactly what the store actually offers, and the offer shouldn't be too good, you know, like too good to be true. If it's too good to be true, it usually is, right? So what you also should do, your ad creative should be good. You should be putting in at least 3 different page posts, 3 different ads, you know, so people have 3 different pictures or videos to choose from, so they'll put the right one in the right audience. Facebook will optimize towards what's the best, right? And that is basically it right now, honestly. And if you're targeting to worldwide without excluding countries such as like Mexico and stuff, you will get a lot of checkouts but no sales. And you got to make sure the countries you're marketing to can actually afford this product, and most likely you're just selling to people that's already seen this stuff before and they recognize the pattern. If you sell on a basic Brooklyn store, you'll obviously get people that's probably bought something from a Brooklyn store before. Brooklyn is the theme, and they had a bad experience with stores looking like that earlier, so they don't want to take the risk on yours. That is like 3 short tips. Okay guys, so let me jump straight into this thing and I'll show you exactly how it's done, guys, because you If you clicked on this video, maybe you're just interested or you're struggling with traffic but no sales, which is one of the most common problems in dropshipping. There's so many people having a ton of traffic but no sales. And in this case, I just pull up a random store. It's definitely the product. Guys, if you want me to review your store, comment your store in the comments and I'll review it. So yeah, here I would say it's the product. It's just, it's just absolutely nothing unique with it at all. It's a glowing case though. I mean, that could be cool. But you see that they have 4 in their name. I would definitely recommend. It just sounds unprofessional. So they've been putting their logo up here. I really don't think that was necessarily at all. It didn't really fit, so I'll just remove that. People obviously know that that's your store, right? Free shipping on all orders. I don't like this. I mean, on my page it looks good, but on yours it just doesn't look good. I think you should write more like free worldwide shipping and nothing more. That should be really clean and really simple. The price, the price there, you will never be profitable at all. That is $9. I'll change it to your currency if possible. No, it's not possible, but that is $9 US. 9.9. That will never be profitable, guys. You will end up going broke if you're gonna sell that stuff. So make sure you find something with at least $20 profit margin. And then the add to cart is shaking. That is just desperate. There's just no point. And it's red. That is the love color, guys, of marketing. You should go for the call to action one, which is green. If you have a green one, people in most cases will be more likely to take action. I didn't even see the add to cart button before it shaked, and when it shaked, it scared me away. So here we got a lot of different variants. That's cool. Phone cases in general is not good. Yeah, taxes are included. Shipping is probably free. Yeah, they'll go broke selling this thing. And this thing is just annoying me. This is just being desperate. I mean, this could work in some cases. I would never do it. It's really desperate, honestly. Do you want the unique phone case? Say goodbye to your old phone case and get this awesome dynamic. Yeah, that's a little weird. Say goodbye to it just to get yours. You should try to introduce it a little more. He's just introducing the product with buy from me, spend your money on me, sell. Like, he's selling from the first second. Don't do that. You could sell down here. Why? Here you could be like, why you should have this. 160% off, and it's so spammy. This is not good. And what? It's so aggressive. It's so aggressive. Okay, so look at it. Down here, he should be having reviews soon. I mean, this looks like, what is this? This looks like reviews. I mean, it's probably his first store, so no problem. But like, those 2 pictures they are even the same. The same pictures. The same pictures again. What? Yeah, that should be your reviews. And your reviews is down here. That is a little too late, sorry. So let's just, I want to ignore this product line, let's just check a new one. Yeah, he have named all of them. Yeah, so it's so cheap, it won't be profitable. Maybe, probably not gonna sell that one anyway. But yeah, the checkouts here is decent. I like these ones. These are really clean and good looking. But this one right down here, can't even see what it says, honestly. So that one is not too good. And here he goes with all these pictures before the reviews again. You could have, like, here you could be having a slideshow, and then it's the annoying add to cart. So let's just check out his homepage. That could be cool. High-end gadgets and accessories. Normally I wouldn't write on the main picture, but this looks kind of cool. It actually does. This is a Brooklyn theme. Yeah, save 60%. Obviously that is just fake or something. Our goal, we are committed to providing our customers with the finest gadget. Yeah, I'm not gonna read anymore. Let's go to the new one, okay? We need a new store, but yeah, this one. Now you know what I think about it. So let's just take the refund policy if you just copy Shopify one. Yeah, exactly. Okay, this is it could be worse. I mean, it's okay, but it won't be profitable.